Hi, I'm Corey Moss with Rave, and I'm here with TJ Adams with QSC Systems. How are you, TJ?
I'm doing great.
Great. A good show for you so far?
We've been busier than ever.
That's excellent. That's excellent. I tell you what, InfoComm 2015, the crowds have been amazing. Booths have been packed, jam-packed, solid. So I'm sure you're getting that. TJ, give us a little overview of what you're doing here, what you're showing at InfoComm 15.
Yeah. So, like we were talking before, we think that there's a revolution going on. It's a quiet one. That software and virtualization is taking over this industry, little bit by little bit. So if you think about boxes like this, it's not about the box.
Right.
Yes, it's a nice chassis. Yes, it's got all this connectors on the back. But in the end of the day, this is a computer. This is a Intel computer. It just so happens to be applied towards this market space as an audio device for conferencing. And so what IT people think of, and that we keep hearing all that buzz here, they think of things more than just the network. They don't think of things like, oh, I just got audio here to there.
Right.
They want to know, can you integrate a software layer with other systems that I care about on my facility?
Right.
And those systems are everything from the conference room all the way down to contact list management. That's what IT people think about at the software level. And so we think the quiet revolution, just like what happened with Call Manager taking over the world of telephony, and analog PBXs going the way of the dodo, and the same with Pro Tools taking over the recording industry, and you saw a huge shift in that industry. In our segment of the AV industry, the segment called DSP, this is a quiet sea change that's going to revolutionize our world as we know it. Someday we'll all be talking about software-based DSPs, and not about silicon-based DSPs in the form of Sharks and Motorola chips and all these other things that have kept these sort of bound up, because we've been striving to be IT friendly, but with the wrong platforms. This is an IT platform.
And what you said about the box and not being about the box, and that's a big statement right there. So I talk about disrupting the industry, making an impact, and we're going to talk about something, and we're not going to talk about the box, right? We're going to talk about something else and take a little deep dive here. So go ahead, TJ.
Well, the way we think of things is that software and virtualization is taking over the world, right? So we want to embrace where that's going. We don't want to stay tied to traditional AV technologies and start from that and then try to move them towards IT. We want to first start with the world of IT and understand that customer. And so I believe in that, and that's why I'm here at QSC. And that's the revolution. It's we have to rethink, and that's why we came up with the rethink concept for our booth. Is that we have to move away and become, I hate to say it in some ways, but we have to become IT nerds. We have to become software nerds.
Yep.
We have to look at your kids, see how my kids play Minecraft. They're always building things in these virtual worlds. And the funny thing is, they're using Lua scripting, which I didn't know about until I came to QSC. We have Lua scripting in our boxes because it just happens to be open source and what's available and what people know, young people know. And it's crazy to me. So us old guys have to sort of rethink it too and understand that, we have to become as much passionate about that world as we are about the fact that I build tube amps at home for fun. And I love beautiful audio, and I love equipment, and I love shiny things. But I have to also be passionate about the things that are in the virtual world.
Right. And there are enough veterans in the industry, and I tell you what, that statement itself, the old guys and all of that, and if everybody has the viewpoints and insights that you have, I'll tell you what, this industry can be driven further, faster.
It's gonna. We have a lot of great people in this industry.
Yeah.
All of my competitors, us, we can get there. Yeah. And we have to be relevant in the next 10 years.
And technology drives faster and faster every day, and if you're at that pace as well, you're ahead of the game. So that's the big thing these days. It really is.
Yep, that's right.
Okay, TJ, listen, thank you very much for spending the time. Really appreciate it, and hope you've had a good show, and hope you have a good day today.
Thank you very much. Have a good show yourself.
Thank you.